Introducing the 2018 Audi Q5 2.0 TDI Sline Qtro 190PS, a sleek and sophisticated 5-door estate in a stunning white exterior. This vehicle is equipped with a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and features an automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort and accessories, you'll enjoy amenities like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, cruise control, heated washers, de-icer, and much more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The Audi Q5 also boasts stylish exterior features such as roof rails, spoiler, and tinted windows. This vehicle has been meticulously inspected with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on the 2018 Audi Q5 2.0 TDI Sline Qtro 190PS. Drive away in luxury and style.